Load function reads the data from a spreadsheet and transforms it to a standardized format. Connect selected spreadsheets with load function. Select the sheets we want it to load. Choose flat table if original data is in flat table format. Select the row which contains the column headers. In this example, it's the second row. Choose dimension if original data contains both column and row headers. In this example, our row headers are in column B. And we can call it category. You can give it any name you think is appropriate. The column headers are in row 7, which is date. And in row 8, which we can call plan or actual. Keywords is an alternative to dimension. Users can indicate column and row headers directly in their spreadsheets by typing the keywords CT row header, column, row header name, for example, category, and CT column header, column header names, for example, date and plan or actual. Click on Load to preview the results. Click on Run status on the top right corner to check run logs and details of errors if any.